Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you the biggest reason Shopify discount loses money and how smart discount rules like limits, conditions, and caps can protect your profits. So most store owners think discounts increases sales. And yes, they do. But if your discount strategy is wrong, you could be losing a huge amount of money on every larger orders. For example, you create a 20 or 30 percentage off discount and a customer places a $100 order. Now you are just giving away $100 automatically. And the worst part, Shopify's discount or the default discount don't properly control these situations. So let's jump into the video how we can create a discount code with a cap amount. So before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I'm using Next Discount app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. You can just download this from App Store, or else I'll be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. So once installed, you can see the app or head on to your admin panel and you can just see the app installed in your app section like this. So just click on Next Discount app and you can just click on create new discount for creating the new discount code. So first one is the discount type. So whether it should be a discount code or a automatic discount, let's go with the discount code. And you can just give a discount code, let's say like smart 20 and or a smart 10, let's say. And you can just give a discount value as a percentage one or a fixed value. I'm giving a percentage of 10 with a cap amount of 50. So this capping amount is the main crucial part of our discount creation. So what happens is whether a huge amount of purchase is done by the customer, if and the say 10 percentage discount is applied, the customer will be getting only up to $50. So no matter whether it's a huge order or a less, we'll be getting the only up to 10 percentage with a cap amount of $50. And you can just give a discount applies whether it should for all the products or a specific collection, or there are some other options here. Let's go with the specific products or of a specific collection, and I'm adding a collection of products to have this or to have this discount. So what happens is the users will be getting this discount applied only when the collection product is added to their cart. And you can just set up some minimum purchase requirements, and I'm not adding any minimum purchase requirement for now, and I'm giving the customer eligibility as for all the customers. You can also restrict the customers eligibility to the customers having some tax or only for the custom first order customers like that. And you can also maximum give some maximum discount uses. Let's say like you can limit the number of time this use discount can be used in total. Let's say like 20 or 2. Let's say I'm just giving 2. And you can also limit the use of this code per customer only one time. If you can enable this, the setup is like that the discount code will be available per user only one time. And you can just set some active dates here, whether it should or when it should start and when it should end, those timings, those dates, or all those you can set up over here. And you can just also combine this discount code with the existing ones like product discount or a discount or a shipping discount. So the setup is very simple and we have done, and let's go for saving it. Now let's test this up in our online store now. Yeah. So I'm opening the online store. So I have some product in my cart. Let's try to check out this. I'm applying my code here as Martin. And what happens is this is not a collection product. So we have restricted our discount up should be applied only for the collection product. Since this added product is not the collection one, it's the discount code is not added, or the discount code is not applicable for that product. Let's try with the collection product. So this is the one product from my collection. So let's try to buy this. And let me add the discount code here. Now you can see that the Smart 10 discount code has been applied successfully with the minimum or the maximum discount amount as the 50. Since we know that the 10 percentage of 3000 is greater than 50, since we have capped our discount code at 50, that's why the customer is getting maximum of discount code at the maximum or the maximum discount value as the 50, even it's the 10 percentage of 3000 is higher than 1050. So that's how you can just create a cap discount for a larger amount without losing your money. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.